Hi everybody, it's Connie from the Danville Public Library, and I kind of have something good for you today, and it is kind of about being kind. What's better than doing something to help someone or to make someone feel better? That's just about one of the things that we can do every day and touch somebody close to us or even far away from us. And our topic this week is random acts of kindness. And that just means doing something nice, kind, considerate, helping someone in even just a little way. And so what you're going to be doing this week is making a random acts of kindness pot of gold. And you'll get something that looks like this. And it says, kindness is worth more than gold. And that's true. And I show kindness by. You'll color this and cut it out. And then you're going to get different colored strips of paper. Oh, I found one that I wrote, and it says, I will help clean up. Let's see if I found another one. Oh, I love this one best. I will share. And I have one more that I wanted to do, and it says, I will help someone. And those are random acts of kindness. And then you'll take your strips of paper and put them all around your pot of gold. And these are the things that you can do to honor random acts of kindness and help people, make people feel better and be kind. You have a puzzle and you have bingo. And some of the things on the bingo say, write a nice note to somebody. Be prepared for an activity. Offer to help. Hold the door for others. This one is free. And this one down here doesn't have anything. And you can write your own. Now, when you finish your Random Acts of Kindness project, you can go on our website. You can look at our art challenge for this month. Take a picture, send it in, and you might win a prize. Thank you, everybody, and thank you for being so kind. We miss you. Bye.